Good morning, everyone, and TGI Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market warning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to head over to TipRanks TV to check out our exclusive stock series there, and don't forget to check out the premium and ultimate subscriptions for TipRanks 2 to unlock some fantastic research tools. TipRanks now offers you the opportunity to pay monthly for your subscription instead of annually as well, so make sure to take advantage of that. The link will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. It looks like we're ending the week with U.S. stock futures in the green. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.87%, S&P 500 futures up 1.08%, and NASDAQ futures up 1.49%. Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO is now trading in Singapore, making it the third exchange that the stock is available on. NIO's founder said in a statement that today marks a new milestone for NIO. The listing on the Singapore Stock Exchange is of great importance to NIO's global business development. NIO has further strengthened its footing in the global capital markets. By collaborating with science and research institutions and establishing NIO's R&D Center for Artificial Intelligence and Autonomous Driving in Singapore, we will further broaden and enhance our global R&D footprint. Analysts currently rate the NIO stock a strong buy with an average upside of 143%. Boeing had a successful takeoff for their Starliner spacecraft. The unmanned spacecraft reached orbit on Thursday on its way to docking with the International Space Station. Boeing's Starliner was developed in collaboration with NASA's Commercial Crew Program and is designed to accommodate 7 passengers or a mix of crew and cargo for missions to low Earth orbit. The spacecraft is designed to be partially reusable. Analysts currently rate the Boeing stock a strong buy with an average upside of 74%. And Taiwan Semiconductor announced that they plan to build a new factory in Singapore. While the final plans are not yet decided upon, they say the project could cost billions, but would be a way to help tackle the global chip shortage. The company is also said to be in talks with the government over the potential project too. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 24%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we heard from John Deere. They posted better than expected results for their earnings and boosted their full-year profit guidance. Their earnings were up almost 20% year over year, coming in at $6.81 per share, 10 cents ahead of the analyst estimates. Net sales and revenues increased 11% to $13.37 billion. Their full-year earnings forecast increased to $7 to $7.4 billion. Analysts currently rate the Deere stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 22%. We also heard from Foot Locker, who came in just ahead of analyst expectations on their earnings. Their earnings per share came in at $1.60 versus the $1.59 expected. This was on $2.2 billion of revenue, which was in line with analyst expectations. The company is now expecting their fiscal 2023 earnings to be at the higher end of their previous guidance, between $4.25 to $4.60 per share. Analysts currently rate the Foot Locker stock a hold with an average upside just shy of 7%. In the after hours last night, we heard from companies like Ross Stores and Palo Alto Networks. To hear about their results, check out Fabio's after hours market recap over on TipRanks TV. Now let's see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Deckers Outdoor after they topped sales estimates in their latest earnings report. Under the ticker DECK, the stock is up 15.5%. They're followed by Palo Alto Networks under PANW, up 12.5%, and National Retail Properties under NNN, they're up 10.5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Ross Stores following their earnings last night. Under the ticker ROST, the stock is down over 27%. They're followed by Millicom International under TIGO, down over 21%, and Burlington Stores under BURL, down over 11%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday.